Hi my respected friends, today is the video for Mahzooz draw prediction. In this video I will give you the best numbers for our upcoming draw which is drawing on 19th November 2022. Friends, these are some past results of Mahzooz. Best number attracting after that. So please look at carefully. When Mahzooz started to open 5 numbers, after that whenever the 49 number came as the last number in the result, you can see total 4 times it was happened. It is our previous result 12th November 2022. 49 has come as the last number. 49, you can see whenever this thing was happen. After that next draw the 16 number is coming. You can see first time when 49 came as the last number, 16 number came in next draw. Second time again the 16 number came again in next draw. Third time you can see again 16 number came. Now it's turn of fourth draw. The 49 has come in our previous draw. According to this routine, the 16 number should come in our upcoming draw in the result. These are the date. You can also check. First draw 8th January 2022, then 2nd July, September, and now it is November. So according to this number is best. 6th home number is 1. This is 11. These two numbers are powerful for this draw. Another common thing you can see after that, the number came with 7. First time 17, second time 37, third time two numbers 27 and 37. So you should select one number with 7. Total 1 to 9, 5 numbers with 7. Number 1 is 7, 17, 27, 37 and 47. You should pick at least one number from here. One number. You can select more, but according to the routine, one number must came from here, these 5 numbers, and one number from here, 11 and 16. This is good pattern. Now remaining 3 numbers you should select from these numbers. Number 1 is 2, 5, 9 and 22, 23, 25, 28 and 34, and last one is 43. You should select remaining 3 numbers. 3 numbers from these numbers. If you like this pattern, you can follow it. If you don't like, you can leave it. One number from here, one number from here, and 3 numbers from here. You should select your maximum numbers from 2 to 28. According to my research, the maximum number will come between 2 to 28. Okay guys, this is my overall prediction for Mahzooz upcoming draw. In the end, good luck to all and goodbye.